yawn, now someone else yawns too. Why does yawning spread like a silent wave? Your brain has special cells called mirror neurons. These neurons copy actions you see around you. Seeing someone yawn triggers your mirror neurons instantly. This reaction is deeply connected to human empathy. Empathetic people yawn contagiously far more often. Even reading the word yawn can trigger it. Dogs and primates also catch contagious yawns easily. It signals social bonding across many different species.
Yawning together actually strengthens emotional connection between beings.
So next time you yawn, feel the beautiful connection.